Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a super quick update about WeCreate. They just launched their new 3.0.2 software, and a lot of people are wondering what has it actually included or brought with this update. The one major thing that they wanted me to let you know of that they haven't really announced is bidirectional scanning is back. And it's back at least for the Lumos. I haven't got to test out the 10, the 20, the 40, or the 45 watt model. But if you guys can test it out and just let me know down in the comments below, I'd really appreciate it. I'm just running low on time, but I wanted to let you guys know that bidirectional scanning is back officially, at least for the Lumos. So I'm gonna just do this video really quick for you because I wanted to get it out as quickly as possible. But with that said, let me show you how to get your bidirectional scanning back. All you gotta do is go to WeCreat's website here. It's WeCreate.com/pages/software. You can click download at the top of the screen. It'll bring you all the way down to the bottom, or you can just scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen here. It'll look like this, and it will say download for 3.0.2. You'll download that software, install the software, and once it launches, you can click new project, and it'll look like this software right here. When you have the software up, it's probably going to ask you to do a firmware update like it did for my machine here. It didn't give me any other options than to do the firmware update. So just do the firmware update, not a big deal. I think they also corrected the issue where the Lumos wasn't showing up automatically in the connection in the top right corner. So that's a good thing as well. But before, and if you're still having issues, just click up here in the top right corner and then just click the connection of whatever machine shows up there, and it should show your Lumos up there and connected. Now with that said, once you have that connected, there is this process settings. This is going to be off by default, but I was already messing with this. If you turn on process settings, you can then come down to here and then you can change like the order that it automatically processes, or you can choose unidirectional scanning or bidirectional scanning. This is bringing back that bidirectional engraving. So what the difference is between that is unidirectional is the laser beam goes one way and then it skips and it comes back and then it goes one way again. Bidirectional, it'll do a smooth back and forth motion and engrave each line as it goes down the line back and forth. But unidirectional is this way, this way, this way, this way, all one way, and it never comes back the other way. So sometimes that can make it a little bit longer. That's why people like bidirectional. But sometimes going all in the same direction with unidirectional will be a cleaner engraving, and that's why they chose to do that path up till now. But they are giving you the option to go back to bidirectional. So I think you guys get the point of that. I'm not going to do an engraving today in today's video just because I'm crunched on time here. But like I said, if you guys can do this on your 10 watt, your 20, 40, 45 watt, let us all know down in the comments below if you got this feature back for that, because I know for a fact it works on the Lumos. So just keep that in mind that this may not be available on all machines. I haven't been able to confirm it, but I would assume it is since it is in the software here. So this is a great thing that they released, and that is all that I could see that was updated so far or that they let me know about. I'll continue to tinker around with the settings. If I find any different settings or software changes, I'll go ahead and do an updated video once I got more time. But like I said, a lot of people wanted to know what was going on, trying to get this out in the set amount of times between other videos I've been filming for you guys. With that said, if you have any questions about this, let me know down in the comments below. I'll try and research what I can, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.